Welcome to my vlog again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video. Hi! Chatsy!
My baby.
I love you.
I love you more.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Say something while you're driving.
It's Saturday.
Yes.
We have sun, we have
Yes.
clouds, and we have a strong wind.
Oh my god.
And the temperature will be approximately around 19 degrees.
Yeah.
Maybe more a little bit later. And then we do our cleaning. It's
Yes.
not very dirty here.
Yeah.
And
We're clean
then-
there. Here. We're going to clean
and
there.
then
later.
we start
After-
our barbecue and Ashlecken.
Yes. So we're going to the recycling area because we have garbage, and you know here in Germany you have to separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, which means like you have to separate the plastics and the bottles. So unlike us in the Philippines, and it's really big difference because people are throwing garbage there everywhere. So here in Germany, as you see, it's very clean. Most of my videos before, as you see, it was clean here. It was really clean, and yeah, it's beautiful. I love this place, and I love my future husband so much. Yes, it's really open, no?
Wow, it's open, but maybe you need a swab test,
Yeah.
and a gun, because we don't have money.
Oh my gosh. So, talk more, say something more for our
So we are on
viewers,
the way
our
up.
subscribers,
You can see the castle over there.
where they cannot see.
Ah,
Because I should have a front cam, but
you can see.
I can't find it where. But anyway, we're gonna show them. See, so
No, it was a Honda.
yeah, so it's here. It's like this. So
We go up.
we go up there.
Up there. Oh my,
Oh my
god.
god! So we
The
cannot.
road is blocked from the DHL.
Yes, there is a car there is blocking. But we could pass after him.
Yeah.
Yo. It's okay. Oh my god.
Yes.
Hi! So guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And
And later we invite you to the Ashlecken. We'll
yes,
send you photo and video.
we're gonna make a video later, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so okay, so we are almost there to the recycling area, and I'm so happy to be with my boyfriend, and thank you so
And
much. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
It looks good. It looks very good. It looks very good.
Oh, it's
Oh
not
my
really,
god.
It's not really crowded. Honey, I love you so
I
much.
love you so
I
much.
love you, I love you, I love you. I love you more, and
Respect.
I hope these videos, more people got inspired and to share our videos, and
You're
yeah.
also open.
What is open?
I don't know it for.
What
I don't know.
what's
It's not
this?
really closed.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Choose. So we're almost there. You see the car there. Mm.
Face mask. Yes.
Just a few minutes, few seconds to arrive. So now we are here in the recycling area. Thanks God we don't need to fall in line, or we need to fall in line.
Yes.
So guys, okay, now then, tell everybody to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye bye. See you.
Okay, we are here now, just arrived. I'm gonna show you guys. So we have to wait because
This
Yeah.
is the biological recycling, tree
This is-
cutting, grass cutting,
Yeah.
bush cutting.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye. I love
Bye-bye.
you. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby.